Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, and today I want to show to you guys about my project in embedded system, actually in IoT project. Okay, so my project who already made that is the sensoring for calculate the temperature in around the area and humidity for the area around the area. But before we start the show to how the complicated code can works, I will to explain to you one of the code. No, I mean all of the code, but by one. Okay, we go to the first line, that is define. There is define, three define code. So this actually is the original code from the device. If you see in here, I use Blink application. So if you want to connect it with other device, like other blinks, other type of this application, you can use other, yeah. If you use blink, you can go to the forget this the code, you can go to the developer tools, and after that you can copy the code in here. And after that, this the template ID, after that the name. Nah, this there is the name. The name you can customize it in your device control. You can see in the developer in device, you can see the name, and you can see in the workwiz website the name in on your code. And after that, there is blink out token. This is the token for your devices, for your device. So if there is not the token for your device cannot to be work, because the token it's like the password for make it your device can work and can to give the the broadcast for other output, like that. And we go to the this line, that is define blink print serial. That it means if the blink can use it, serial include. Nah, this is the main of the code. There is include Wi-Fi client and blink sim. And back back again, the Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi client and blink, it is the template from the device. Okay, and after that include DHT, because we use DHT in here. And we go to the character out. So this is the code for this token, and you can to fill it with this the name blink out token, or you can fill with this one with token. So like I say before, the token can be correct, can be works if you have the correct token, yeah. So you have to fill this with your token. Okay, and after that character SSID, and after that character password. Okay, for the character SSID, you can call this is username, actually, and after that for the character pass it is password. Okay, and for the character username I use Walkwe because Walkwe can to support you with the connection. After that for the password there is no, because Walkwe have secret password ya. After that, oh yeah, one point again, if you see this, the device can be work when you use the single password, Wi-Fi and username. So if there is in your company there is the Wi-Fi but there is so many device, I mean so many username, so if you go to the Wi-Fi you have to fill the username again and password, that can be not work because the blink can work, it's only for one username only, like that. And after that go to this like before I said, and go to setup for it. Okay, we go to pin mode in here, and this is there is 5 pin mode, 1 2 3 4 5, yeah, 5. And you can see in the previous ESP you can to see this is the name for the color for the lamp. You can see for red, the for pin mode 50 output it is green, and after that for output 4 that is yellow, after that 2 that is red, 6 that is 60 I mean is blue, after that 17 it is brown. Okay, that is the color for all of the lamp. Okay, and after that serial begin, and like before go to void loop. Okay, blink run, blink timer, this is 2 lines of code that it means if the code already run, the blink run and the timer. So if you start the code, the device in your blink can works. Okay, and after that void sensor, in here there is serial print for error condition, so you can to add some message on your blink, and you can use also for your phone. And after that go to the other code that is virtual write. Okay, in here there is v1. Okay, we see in here there is v1 in here. Oh, wait, not okay, this v1 and v0 it is for humidity and temperature. Why? Because if you see in the blink console there is humidity and temperature, and if you go to the develop zone and after that open and go to data stream, there is 2. I use 2 pin, so one for v1 for humidity, and after that v0 it means for temperature. And we can see in here v0 for temperature. Okay, and after that v1 for humidity, like that. And go to the serial print, like I said before, this is for the message, after that digital write. Okay, this is the code for make it the lamp synchronize for our humidity, I mean temperature and humidity around of us. So if you see, if temperature is if temperature is more small than 20, digital write can write 5 height. So 5, we can see in here 550 is green, so green is high, and after that if not is low. It means is off and on, like that. High is on, low is off, like that. And if temperature more than 20, so the digital rate is 4. Can see 4 is yellow, after that 4 is on, and 50 is low. And the if not the 4 is low, after that, yeah, like it's just like that, and until the end. Okay, and the end, there is the message. If the temperature over 28 Celsius, so the temperature, the blink console send message like this, and you can custom it with your own message, like that. And yeah, after I uh, after I explaining to you about all of the code, let's go to the code. So I will show you like this. Okay, can see in the bottom of the preview it, there is so many uh, previous code. Yeah, I already test before, and yeah, we will see again like this. So okay, there is load connecting with to WebWeGOS, because the Wi-Fi is WebWeGOS. Okay, and wait, we will continue connecting to the console also with blink, and this is, it means it's ready, and you can see the Wi-Fi health. And nah, there is the data. Okay, for temperature is what, okay, wait, for the temperature is 24 and humidity is 40. We will see in blink. Okay, we refresh first, so let's see. Okay, this already online because Walkie is already on, and humidity is 40. We'll see 40 humidity, and temperature is 24. Okay, so like that. I mean, I mean, just is it. I'm sorry if I have a lot of mistakes, and last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.